In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to fix Tesla charger not working. So let's get started. So first of all, I need you to guide yourself onto this website, tesla.com/owner's manual, and select the car that you own. For the sake of the video, I'll be just choosing Model X, and then proceed to choose the language that you're compatible with, and then you'll be redirected to a page with a bunch of options to the left. Here, I want you to click on the charging and energy consumption drop down and then click on charging instructions. Here, I want you to have a good read at all of the information and perhaps that might fix your issue. If it still doesn't, then I do have a couple more fixes to share with you. So, first, let's start with the basics. Make sure the charger is fully plugged in and listen for the locking sound when you insert the connector. If the port light stays white or turns red, that's a sign something's wrong. If you're at a supercharger or a public station, try switching to a different stall. Sometimes a single charger might be faulty while others are fine. If you're at home, try a different wall outlet if you're using mobile connector. Next, inspect the charging cable and adapter for damage. Look for bent pins, dirt, or debris in the connector. If you're using an adapter like the J1772 for third-party stations, try reseating it or using a different one. Sometimes a simple reboot, sometimes a simple reboot can fix the issue. Hold down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the screen resets. You can also power cycle the car by going to Controls, Safety and Security, Power Off. Wait for 5 minutes and then turn it back on. If you're using a home charger, unplug it, turn off the breaker for 1 minute, then hold it back on and try again. If your Tesla is showing a specific error message, tap on it for details. Message like charge port open but not charging or charge equipment fault could point to an issue with the charger, the power source, or even the car's onboard charger. Make sure your software is up to date by going to Controls, Software. Also check if you have any charge limits set too low in charging settings. If your charge limit is at 50% by mistake, the car won't charge past that. If you're using a home wall connector and nothing is happening, check your circuit breaker. If it tripped, reset it and try charging again. If it keeps tripping, you may have to call an electrical you may have an electrical issue that needs an electrician's help. If you've tried everything and it's still not working, it could be a hardware issue with the charger port, the charger, or the car's onboard charging system. In that case, it's best to contact Tesla support or schedule a service appointment through the app. So, I hope this video helped you guys out, and that'll be it for today, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.